Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to increase motion on X, formerly known as Twitter, when using it on your PC. If you've noticed that animations, transitions, or effects feel a bit static or turned off, there's actually a quick setting you can change to bring back all that smooth motion to your feed. Let's go step by step. First, open x.com on your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen for the main navigation menu. This is where all your essential features are, like Home, Explore, Notifications, and Messages. At the bottom of that list, click on More. When you click More, a new menu will appear with several options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This section gives you access to all your account preferences, including display and accessibility features. Next, inside Settings and Privacy, look for Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Once you find it, click on it, and then choose the option labeled Accessibility. This is where all the visual and motion-related controls are located. Now you should see a checkbox that says Reduce Motion. If that box is checked, it means animations and motion effects are being limited to create a simpler visual experience. To increase motion and bring back the smooth animations throughout the platform, simply uncheck that box. After unchecking it, X will automatically adjust your settings. You won't need to restart or refresh anything. Just go back to your timeline or profile and you'll instantly notice the transitions and effects feel livelier and more dynamic. That's all it takes. You've successfully increased motion on X Web from your PC. Customizing these small settings can make your browsing experience more engaging and visually appealing. If you enjoy a more animated and fluid interface, this change definitely makes a difference. And that's how you can easily bring motion back to your X experience.